Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. Gotta be honest, I ended up having to work all weekend, so I didn't get a chance to prepare much. And so I was really running behind. Like today's Monday afternoon, and I gotta leave for work in an hour. And I haven't even shot my cat. I'm just now getting to my Cast Iron Wednesday, which I'm gonna load up in 2 days. So I can't skip a week. So I'm gonna finish my meal prep, and I'm gonna get right to work on what I'm gonna do this week. In case you're wondering what my meal prep for work is, it's just some mac and cheese. I get these from I've showed them before. I got these from a restaurant supply store. I just take it to work, warm it up in the microwave. Alright, so what I'm making is, as you probably saw the title, I got this Curly's sauceless, come on camera, focus. It looks off, but it's pulled pork. So I said I'm really time crunched this week, so comes in a nice Tupperware container, which I can use for leftovers later. So, and it's just basically a ball of pork. So let me find something to put this in. Alright, so what I'm making is, as you probably saw the title, I got this Curly's sauceless, come on camera, focus. It looks off, but it's pulled pork. So I said I'm really time crunched this week, so comes in a nice Tupperware container, which I can use for leftovers later. So, and it's just basically a ball of pork. So let me find something to put this in. Alright. I don't remember if this thing has a easy, oh, maybe it has an easy tear spot or not. I don't see one, so. You know, I got home Friday from work, and I had no plans this weekend because I'm resting my shoulder. As I figured, well, I'll figure something out this weekend. I could have spent a little bit more time investigating and looking up ideas. So, I got the pan heated up. I'm basically just heating up pulled pork. I guess you couldn't see that. Sorry about that. So I was going to warm it up in the pan. Wooden spoon here. I just put a little bit of olive oil, just even though I think there's a little bit of fat in here, but I just put a little bit of olive oil, so that's something to start with. I mean a little, I just put in like a little drizzle. To the side, I'm heating up some Bush's baked beans to go with it. Meat feels warm enough. It doesn't have to be blistering hot. It just excuse me. Yeah, I think I have allergies. I'm always like it's pretty annoying. Wow, seriously. kind of falling everywhere, but really need to start checking my V-screen more often. Alright, so my apologies for the lack of creative Cast Iron Wednesday this week, but you know, I wasn't planning on getting called into work. It is what it is. Or rather, you know, it happens. So actually not bad. Pork is fairly decent. I probably should have toasted the buns first, but still tastes pretty good. Alright, so clean plate. You know, as simple as they were, they're actually pretty tasty. So I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get on the ball quicker with something this week, but I've also been dealing with the shoulder thing, so not to make excuses, but you know. Next month is Italian/seafood, and I'm already thinking of something for next week, which I'm going to cook this week and be ahead of the game for a change. So I'll probably be doing that, do a little research as the coming over the next couple days, figure out what I'm gonna make. I have an idea what I'm gonna do. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description and also the end cards for last week's video, the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, and I've been putting a video in up here or here, whichever side, how I clean and maintain my cast iron. So again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.